Good morning from the dark streets of Rome. सुबह के 6 बजे है और हम लोग जा रहे हैं हमारे बस स्टेशन because like I told you yesterday we have a tour today. We are going to the Tuscan countryside. आज हम जा रहे हैं Tuscany and it's a whole day's tour that I have booked out. Get Your Guide से ही बुक किया and by the way guys this is not sponsored by Get Your Guide. जितने भी Get Your Guide के टूर्स बुक किए मैंने खुद पैसे भर के बुक किए so that's that but अभी हमने कैब बुलाई है. The cab is going to come take us to the station and then from there we take a bus to Siena and you'll know the rest once we reach there. Alright, so we're at the Rome bus station now और this is the board where you can check for your bus. यहाँ पे buses लगी हुई है. हमारी अभी आई नहीं है, हमारी बस को टाइम है आने में. But this is what the bus station here looks like. Just like any other bus station we've seen so far. Nothing different. Alright guys, Siena तो पहुँच गए. That bus ride was very quick actually. Very quick for me personally क्योंकि मैं तो सो गई थी. मतलब पूरे बस राइड में सो गई थी. 3 घंटे की जर्नी थी. 9 बजे हमें पहुँचा दिया. 6:30 की बस थी और 9 बजे एग्जैक्टली पहुँचा दिया. लिटिल अहेड ऑफ टाइम इनफैक्ट 2.5 घंटे में. Now we are supposed to meet the rest of the group for this today's tour at 11 o'clock. जो 2 घंटे हैं हमारे पास. 9:30 बजे अभी and we have about a while before we see them. So basically this tour started very early in the morning. It started around 7:45 a.m. So the rest of the group has probably started much earlier than us and ये एक meeting point था जहाँ पे हम पहुँच पा रहे थे आज क्योंकि we didn't want to do that much of an early morning. Plus there were no buses or trains to come from Rome. So I'm assuming बाकी लोग जो start कर रहे हैं फ्लोरेंस से ही ये tour start हो रहा है. हम क्योंकि रोम से आए हैं इतना जल्दी मिल नहीं रहा था for us to come in the morning because we didn't want to do such an early morning because tomorrow we have an early morning. So we decided to ask them कि give us a meeting point जहाँ पे मतलब एक common जगह जहाँ पे हमारी बस एक टाइम पे पहुँच पाएगी रोम से and accordingly we can like recoup with the rest of the group. So सब कुछ combinations try करने के बाद ये perfect बैठ रहा था. So we could we can meet them in Siena where we are right now जहाँ पे हमारी बस पहुँच रही है. So 11 बजे Siena में सब लोग मिलेंगे. That's when our tour will start. We have a very exciting day. It's basically we're going to be visiting the Chianti area of Tuscany, which is what Tuscany is all about, the countryside, the beautiful, beautiful wineries. So Tuscany अगर आप जानते हो अपने vineyards के लिए जाना जाता है world wide. जो Italian wines आती हैं वो Tuscany से आती हैं. Plus the rolling hills of Tuscany is something that I have always seen just in pictures and I always dreamt of seeing those long Caprice trees in front of me. Of the vineyards. It's very beautiful. And the only thing is कि बहुत ठंड है यहाँ पे जो हमने नहीं anticipate किया था क्योंकि considering yesterday's weather in Rome which was a little sunny, we thought कि ठीक है वैसा ही होगा. हमने weather update देखा था but फिर भी it's not raining luckily but it's still cold. And मतलब I'm not completely entirely dressed for the cold per se but ठीक है जो भी है देखा जाएगा. It is what it is. So which is why we just sat here, we got ourselves a hot chocolate, a coffee, a donut and now we're just going to wait here. We don't want to like venture out too much. 11 बजे बस हमें meeting point पे पहुँचना है to meet with the others. That's all that we're going to do. We don't want to like roam around anywhere right now. So yeah, we're just going to wait here and then meet the rest of the group at 11. Okay, so we met the group finally. हम पहुंच गए भागते दौड़ते और फाइनली हम अब इस ग्रुप में आ चुके हैं. नाउ वी आर उनके हवाले. अब पूरा दिन वी हैव अ वेरी नाइस फन डे प्लान. वी आर गोइंग टू द Chianti winery right now. We're going to have a nice Tuscan lunch there today. और उसके बाद और भी चीज़ें हैं which you will see unfold as and when we do them. फ़िलहाल हम बस हमारी बस की तरफ चल के जा रहे हैं. हम कब से एक्चुअली चल ही रहे हम पिछले 15 मिनट से सिर्फ चल रहे हैं बट anyway
Good cardio session, no?
yeah good cardio session which isn't required actually required after all the carbs and cheese you have in Italy but still
Tuscan is the biggest one. So, what I can say about Chianti? Well, for the next stop is the winery. We will be there in 20 minutes. It's pretty close. Don't worry about that. In fact, for that, I have a very important question. Chicos, próxima parada ahora es la bodega de Poggio Laghi en el Chianti, que es una micro región en el área más grande, que es la Toscana. La Toscana es la región, una de las 20 regiones que tenemos aquí en Italia. Florencia es la capital de la región. Y bueno, por eso tengo una pregunta muy importante. The question is, do you like wine? ¿Le gusta el vino? Todos, más o menos, sí. Ok, bueno. ¿Quién prefiere el vino blanco? Who prefer the white wine? Raise your hand. Arriba la mano. ¿Quién le gusta el vino blanco? 1, 2, 3.
Good? Yes. Do you like wine?
Yep.
Do gusta el vino? Andiamo, let's go.
Alright guys, I am literally in wine heaven right now. हमारा जो वाइन टेस्टिंग था वो जस्ट खत्म हुआ. But the good thing is you can come here and जितने भी वाइन्स आपने टेस्ट किए they give you like a menu. तो आपको कुछ भी उसमें से अच्छा लगा है you can buy it from here. The good thing is even if you have excess luggage they can actually ship it to wherever you're living. They ship to any part of the country. Any part of your country and any country in the world as well. तो आप यहाँ से olive oil, balsamic vinegar या फिर wine कुछ भी खरीद सकते हो. They have a large selection. They have like n number of flavors to try from. It's amazing. And if you're unsure to buy like the big bottles, they even have like little sample sized bottles like you can see here, like the small one. So you can always get those as well. It's a great thing to get for friends अगर आपको किसी को देना है या फिर also for yourself and just for your kitchen. Finally, from the Chianti region, we've come into another region into Tuscany, which is called as San Gimignano, which is officially the best place for the best gelatos in the world. And we are walking right into these beautiful alleys of San Gimignano. We have an hour to explore by ourselves. And look at this. It's like stepping into a fortress. It's beautiful. Let me take you guys along. is the main town square, and oh my god guys, this place is legit like the most beautiful place out here in Tuscany. It's so beautiful. Like look at this, it's like a medieval era, and also the home to one of the best gelatos in the world. Oh my god. There's a reason, guys. This town sells the best gelato in the world. I swear to God, I'm not doing this for the video. Haven't had something this creamy and this good. The last stop for the day is Pisa. So here I am at the iconic leaning tower of Pisa. अगर आपने previous episode भी देखा और ये भी देखा है तो आप गिन के मुझे बताओ comments में कि हमने कितने wonders of the world देखे हैं इस specific Europe trip में. Tell me the number and tell me the wonders of the world we saw on this trip. One right behind me, but बाकी कौन से देखे let me know. मैं आई हूँ यहाँ पे पहले भी, but still an icon is an icon. It looks very iconic. काफ़ी टूरिस्टी जगह है obviously. It's a wonder of the world. It's the leaning tower of Pisa. But luckily इस टाइम पे अभी जब मैं आई हूँ यहाँ पे भीड़ नहीं है. I don't know why आज भीड़ नहीं है. It's maybe मैं शाम में आई हूँ इसलिए. But right here. Good morning guys. Welcome to the last day of our trip and the last day of being in Italy. One second, let me just quickly go through the train first. Okay, quiet in a rush as you can clearly see because we are at the metro station getting to the meeting point जहाँ से हमारा आज का last day का tour start होने वाला है. And today is very special because we are going to the Amalfi Coast. Let's go. So we have taken our first stop on this tour. They basically stop the bus so that people who want to use the washroom, you want to grab coffee, you want to grab something to quickly eat, you can do that. So we've got some chocolate croissants and some coffee. क्योंकि इसके बाद लंबा ड्राइव है तो हम रुकेंगे नहीं. We also got what about? Alright guys, so the first stop out here is a limoncello tasting. Limoncello जो है lemon liquor होता है यहाँ का सबसे popular चीज़ है and we are in the factory which does that. So let's see. Thank you.
Melon cream, lemon grappa.
Yum. Melon for me,
Melon
please.
for the
Yes.
mother.
Lemon
Thank
for me.
you.
Lemon. Okay? You can share.
Thank you.
Thank you, John.
Okay, so there's everything lemon that you can think of here. There's perfumes, there's candies, there's even lemon soaps or lemon jewelry. Look at this. So basically, everything that you can think of lemon is right here. guys, so we are finally in Sorrento और ये है सोरेंटो की सुंदर 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 गलियाँ. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल छोटा सा टाउन है. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स कोस्टल बट दिस इज अ समर टाउन. आई हैव कम ड्यूरिंग जनवरी विच इज कम्प्लीटली ऑफ सीजन. नाउ द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट डूइंग दिस इज कि भीड़ नहीं होती. जो क्रेजी भीड़ हो रही है यहाँ पे समर के टाइम पे, दैट इज़ लाइक अनबेरेबल. और एंड यू कैन सी जो गलियाँ है यहाँ की बहुत छोटी छोटी है. जब भीड़ हो जाती है देयर इज नो स्पेस व्हाटसोएवर. एवरीबडी वांट्स दोस पिक्चर्स एक्सेट्रा. So coming in shoulder season like this one, like winter, yes, the sun is not too sunny, and you will not have every single restaurant on the coast open, but that's fine. 95% of them are all open and are all functioning. It's just bhir nahi hogi, which is a good thing, and it'll be a little cold. आज यहाँ पे बारिश नहीं हो रही है. Occasionally rains a little bit. It's not raining today. The weather is very pleasant. It's perfect. Of Sorrento, just look at it, guys. This is going to be our lunch stop today. Zintonio Pizzeria. इसके बाजू में लेकिन पहले ये शॉप देख लो. How pretty is this shop? And let's go to Zintonio Pizzeria. तो हम अब सोरेंटो से पोजिटानो आ गए और जो हमारी बड़ी बस थी उसमें से हमें अब छोटी बसेस में जाना है बिकॉज वो बड़ी बस पोजिटानो के गलियों में जा नहीं पाती है. तो अब इन छोटे छोटे बसेस में हमें पोजिटानो लेके जाएंगे क्योंकि वो बड़ी बस फिट नहीं हो पाएगी उन लेन्स में. We have finally gotten off Positano and this is literally a postcard picture, guys. मतलब it's a postcard town and जैसा photos में दिखता है बिल्कुल वैसा है. Like look at this. This town is so beautiful. हम एक्चुअल जो मतलब जो फ़ोटोज़ में आपने पोजिटानो देखा होगा ना, हम उस वाले एरिया पे जा रहे हैं विच इज़ लाइक राइट बिहाइंड देयर. द ओशन इज़ देयर एंड देन द कलरफुल हाउसेस आर राइट बैंग ऑपोजिट इट. ये हम लोग अभी जहाँ पे है दिस इज़ लाइक द मेन area of Positano. This is like the main street and then from here you can start walking ahead. Like when you go down the hill is when you can reach the ocean.